So today we will see an interesting application of the pigeonhole principle. The problem goes like this. Given any set A of 13 distinct real numbers, there exists two numbers x and y such that 0 less than x minus y divided by 1 plus xy is less than equal to 2 minus root 3. So let us assume that the numbers are called A1, A2, A3 up to A13, and we take Pi equal to tan inverse of AI. Now we know that since the range of tan inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, both open, hence all the bi's lie in this interval. So minus pi by 2 strictly less than b1, b2, b3 up to b13 strictly less than pi by 2. Now we divide this interval into 12 parts. Minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 12 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 12 to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 6 and so on up till minus, or rather pi by 2 minus pi by 12 to pi by 2. These are the 12 intervals that I have divided my larger interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 both open into. Now we have 13 numbers and 12 intervals. So by pigeonhole principle, there exist bi and bj that belong to the same interval. So mod of bi minus bj is strictly greater than 0 because they are distinct, is less than equal to tan, or rather it should be pi by 12. Now without loss of generality, we assume that bi is greater than bj. So we have 0 less than bi minus bj less than equal to pi by 12. This implies that 0 is less than tan inverse of ai minus tan inverse of aj, which is less than equal to pi by 12, or tan of 0 is less than tan of tan inverse ai minus tan inverse aj less than tan pi by 12. This implies that 0 is less than tan of tan inverse AI minus tan of tan inverse AJ divided by 1 plus tan of tan inverse AI times tan of tan inverse AJ, which is less than equal to 2 minus root 3. Notice that tan of pi by 12 is 2 minus root 3. This implies that 0 less than AI minus AJ by 1 plus AI AJ less than equal to 2 minus root 3. And we are done. So this was a beautiful application of the pigeonhole principle, which might be simple but has profound applications. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the workshop. Thank you.